Want to work in Europe? Poland is tightening its rules, but I'll got you insider tips to make sure your application gets approved. Imagine landing a high-paying job in Poland with a sponsor visa. Sounds great, right? Stay tuned and I will show you how to make it happen. Breaking news. Poland is changing its immigration laws for 2025. Here is what you need to know to avoid visa rejection. Hello and welcome to Opportunities with Aqeel. Today we explore the new immigration and work visa policies coming into effect in Poland for 2025. Whether you are a skilled professional, a student, or someone seeking a new opportunities in Europe, this video will guide you through the updated rules and how you can prepare for it. We will first go for the statistic and some facts. Over 3 lakh visas were issued in 2023. For the data of 2024 is in upcoming for the foreigners, many of whom moved to other EU countries. The Polish job market relies on 50% of its workforce being foreign nationals. Work permits for certain positions will now face strict limitations and students will require separate permit to work. Here is the list of the most in-demand professions in Poland for 2025. Software developers, data scientists, project managers, financial analysts, marketing managers, human resource managers, cybersecurity specialists, accountants, legal advisors, and business analysts. Some blue-collar jobs are also there: electricians, plumbers, and welder, truck driver, construction workers, machine operators, carpenters, automotive technicians, HVAC technician, and warehouse workers. Now we will discuss new work permit rules, limits on certain job roles. Poland plans to restrict work permits for a specific position to prioritize the local workers. Students now need work permits. Unlike before, international students must now apply for the separate work permits exceeding processing times. If you talk about the cost and non-refundable fees, now the fees are increased. The fee for the work permit, currently it was 100 zloty, will not be refundable in case of rejection, so it's crucial to apply with strong documentation. Strict company requirements are there. Companies must now employ 2 full-time workers, Polish citizens or permanent resident, show profitability equal to 12 multiply the average salaries. Some recruitment agencies we will discuss over there. The immigration office will now assess agencies and employers more strictly by checking tax, financial and employment records. Trusted recruitment agencies in the Poland. Here is the list of the recruitment agencies to secure a job with a sponsored visa. Consider these reliable recruitment agencies. Work Service Poland website is there. Edico Poland is there. Manpower Group Poland is there. Rand State Poland, Europa Agency. Their website links are in the description already. Foreigners who want to work in Poland need to meet certain requirements, including work visa. A national D-type work visa is required, which is usually valid for length for the employment contract. And some residential card is requirement. If you have a residence card with the access to labor market, note you can work in Poland without a visa. In documents, you will go for the passport, visa application form, recent photographs, proof of health insurance, and employment contract. If you go for the application process, you can apply for a work visa and temporary residence permit at a Polish embassy or consulate. It's recommended to apply well in advance. And we will go for and here is a catch for 2025. The competition for the Polish work visas will be tougher than ever, but it's also your golden opportunity to stand out. The secret is preparation. Use the link below to commit with trusted recruiters, polish your application and take your first step towards the brighter future in the Poland. Poland is tightening its immigration policies, but opportunities remain for those who prepare well. Make sure to verify your employer's credentials, use trusted recruitment agency, consult immigration expert for detailed advice. Check the link in the description for the job opportunities and legal assistances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Have any questions or need assistance with your work visa? Drop a comment below or visit the link in the description. Don't miss out the chance to make sure Poland dreams come true.